I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck. So what I have here is some carb cleaner, carburetor. I'm gonna use it to test the leaks. To make sure this is flammable, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some of it in there. And you can hear it rev up. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hoses down. I'm gonna spray over the PCV valve. Now, no, not looking like I have a vacuum leak. So I'm not seeing any vacuum leak. Go ahead and replace the EVAP canister real quick. And if I happen to have any hose, I'm going to replace this one hose too. I don't know if I have any hose that fits it, but okay, 2 bolts hold it on. The EVAP canister on, 10 millimeter. Valve canister is CP0443.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.